Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't uploaded in a hot minute. I'm so sorry, but I was sick and then my son got sick, so it's just been a crazy week, 2 weeks. Today I'm going to show you guys some easy hairstyles. This was actually a request by one of my subscribers. So Hema Patel, this video is for you. If you actually do your research to see what hairstyles are trending this year, you're going to see a lot of natural hairstyles, a lot of texture. I love to use dry shampoo. This is what I use. I'm just going to show you guys what I do for this first hairstyle. So I'm just picking up random sections and spraying it. It also helps add some volume. You can do it in the front. So I kind of have a little bit more volume. My hair tends to get tingly really easily. So as I'm lifting the different layers of my hair, I end up creating some texture. Say hi, Armand. This is my son, guys. He's just gonna join me because if he doesn't, then he will cry. So yeah, as I lift the different layers of my hair, I tend to get some natural texture and some, oh my God, look at that. That's like poof right there. If you want to tone it down, tone it down. If you like it, keep it. So what I like to do is I like to get my fingers as open as possible. And I like to go under here and I like to kind of go up and down. That kind of creates some natural tease and texture. And it kind of adds a little bit of volume. This is the first style. Let me actually put them down so I could really show you guys. But this is your super easy, everyday, you know, this is my go-to. Like if I am rushing out, I don't want to do my hair, this is exactly what I do. All right, so for style number 2, I actually need a curling iron, but I'm actually not going to do that right now because my son is a little crazy and I don't want him to get burned. So we're going to do another style that is heatless. And all you need are bobby pins. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a center part. It's a super duper easy. So that looks center for you guys. I feel like I could never get my center part perfectly center. You could also leave little pieces out like this. If you have longer bangs, it's totally fine. It'll still work. And I just like to get a bobby pin. You know what, I'm actually gonna move these little things in front of my face. Like that. If you're a hairspray kind of person, you can definitely hairspray your hair flat. I can't hairspray it right now since I'm going to show you guys a few other styles. So the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is smooth out my hair. My hair is not going to look like this at the end, I promise. So I just get a brush and comb through it so it looks a lot less like messy and a little more put together. If you guys want to take it a step further, you can definitely get a straightener and straighten it out so it looks a lot more put together. But this is just how I like to wear it. Let's put on these hoops. All right, so this right here is the second look. No heat used, just 2 bobby pins and section my hair to the center. That's it. Let's go ahead and take the pins out. Now we can use a heated tool because my son is out of the room. And this is a 1.5 inch barrel. This is from Hot Tools. I love Hot Tools. They are great for those of you guys who are professional hairstylists because it has that whole little twisty thing. It makes like creating curls really quick, easy, and it's really ergonomic. I have this heated at 400 because I have pretty coarse hair. Like each strand of my hair is pretty coarse, so I need a lot of heat for the style to hold and the heat to penetrate through the cuticle. This is like hair talk, so if you don't understand it, I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and jump right into this little style. I'm gonna go ahead and keep the center part and I'm just going to get the barrel. You can open it up or you can use it as a wand. What I'm gonna do is use it as a wand because I want very loose curls. I don't want it to be a defined curl. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock this, grab a section of my hair, and then go away from my face. And then leave like half of it out. Can you guys see that? Leave half out. And then I like to roll the wand up and down. Or actually just slide it up and down my hair like this. It kind of creates some texture and a very loose wave. You can't really see the wave because the front pieces of my hair are very short, so it just creates like a little bend. And do the same thing, slide it up and down. There you go. So you see how that kind of creates like that nice little bendy fringe, and then this one's just like not anything. I'm just gonna pick random pieces and wave it. By the way, you guys might want to use a heat protectant before applying any type of heat on your hair. I actually already went ahead and did it like 2 days ago when I took a shower. And when you are taking a shower and apply heat protectant before you blow dry your hair, it actually helps protect your hair from any future heat that you use on it. So that way you don't have to keep reapplying a heat protectant, and you can prevent your hair from getting like greasy and heavy. So that's a little trick of mine too. If you want to create more dimension and texture, just pick up different layers of your hair. Keep the barrel right at the base of the hair strand and then go like that. If you want more volume, keep it right at the base for a longer period of time before you slide it up and down. And then you'll get more of a lifted look, as you guys can see that versus this flat one. This is the third hairstyle, natural. Loose curls, textured. I literally just picked up pieces of hair and curled it at random. You don't need to section your hair or make it very precise. The more random the pieces are, the better it looks and the more textured it looks. I love it. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments below. If you want your curls to be a little more defined, you can definitely get some type of cream. This is from Bedhead. It's a smoothing cream. And I'm just going to get a little bit, and I'm just going to pick up pieces of hair and kind of mold the curl or the wave so it's a little more noticeable. Kind of just separate it. As you guys can see this side, you can kind of see the curls a little more. But if you guys like that fluffy look without the product, you guys can definitely skip this step. But if you like more of a glossy, silky look, then just add a little bit of cream and you'll be good to go. Let's move on to the fourth style. It's great because it works with this type of textured hair. So say you went ahead and waved your hair and you want a different style for the next day, you can definitely keep the waves and just add a little half up, half down. I'm just going to keep that center part again. Grab some hair. Now you can either get like an elastic or you can get one of these clips right here. So the first way I'm going to show you guys is by using the hair clip. I literally just grab my hair with my hand and then place the clip over it, and then I fix the top of my hair with my fingers and pull hair to make sure that it looks, you know, good. Just like that. All right, and this is the back. That literally took me like 2 minutes, and it's super cute. I'm using the same style as previous. All I did was add a clip. Now say you don't have a clip and you want to do it with an elastic. Let's go ahead and try that to see how it looks. Still get your half up, half down, and my half up, half down is not literally half, but I go a little higher than half. I don't want to take too much hair because I want to kind of cover my ears with my hair as well, because your girl got some big ears. So that's what I do to cover it, and then I like to go like this. Create a little textured bun up top. Oh my god, that top knot looked so cute, but I messed it up when I put that elastic on, and it took me a few good tries to actually get the top knot right. This is my third attempt, and if you're new at this, don't worry, it takes time to get the top knot looking right because not everybody looks good with a top knot, and also the positioning of your top knot can really make it look good or bad. But I just get the elastic, wrap it around the bun, and then I secure the bun with some bobby pins, and yeah, just place my hair until it looks good. And that is it. Super easy, right? And if you want, you can touch up the curls to be more curlier or more voluminous. This step right here is optional, but it looks so much better when you touch up your curls. This hairstyle just looks better with a more voluminous look, but you can totally rock this just as is if you don't have time to curl it. But if you do, do it because it makes a difference. And you guys will see that. All right, so this right here is the fourth look. I kind of amped up the texture of my curls a little bit more because when I did the waves in the first hairstyle, I didn't wave everything. I just waved the top layer of my hair. So that's a little trick if you're in a rush and you don't have time to wave it all. Just wave the parts that people could see. And that's exactly what I did here as well. Since I did a half up, half down, I just went ahead and curled the layers that people are able to see. And underneath, I didn't even touch it. Curl and style what people can see. Other than that, you are good. All right, let's take this off. All right, this is the last hairstyle. I'm going to do a fun pony. I went ahead and kind of created a zigzag thing going on. It's a little more fun and you don't really see the line. That's basically what I want to get at, is that you don't see a center part, you don't see any type of part. So when you create that zigzag, that is what you'll get. You'll get a part, but you don't see your scalp. For the pony, I'm going to divide my hair in half because I'm going to do 2 separate ponies and then I'm going to tie them in one. So I'm going to section the top and I'm going to start with the bottom portion. I'm going to try to get it as high as possible and I'm going to do it with an elastic. Now I'm going to go ahead and let this go and marry it together with the bottom. If you have some flyaways and some frizz, that's totally fine. We're going to take care of that at the end once we're done tying up the pony. Make sure it's pretty high so you can get that nice poof. And then if you have little baby hairs, you can spray them flat. I'm going to be using the Super Hold Finishing Spray from Kenra. And I'm just going to spray it in the areas where I have my baby hairs sticking up. That is it. If you want, you can add some more curls, more texture, but I actually like it just like this. And if you guys want a little more poof, you can definitely tease this part of your pony. Just tease it so it sits higher. But honestly, I really like it like this, and I think it looks appropriate. Any higher, I feel a little uncomfortable. It'll be a little too high for me. But yeah, this is the pony. This is the last hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thumbs up if you did. Comment below which hairstyle was your favorite. These hairstyles are super easy, so if you are on a time crunch, these are some great go-to hairstyles. These are some of the hairstyles that I love to do, and they work for me. So I hope you guys found it helpful. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!